Hi guys. Today again I'm back with IELTS Speaking Part 3 2025 Part 3 question answers. Usually what we always see is that when you are giving your cue, when you get your cue card and then examiner asks you the questions after when you complete your cue card, like the follow-up question answers, right? And sometimes after that follow-up question answers, he will start asking you some other normal questions, which is like not from your cue card, but again, it considers that some of the questions that you really need to know about, he or she wants to check your knowledge about like you're speaking, right? How fluent you are and how quickly you just get out of your topic whatever given to you, and then how good you are to giving your new idea. So kind of these type of ideas they always try to get to you after done your cue card session. So part 3 always, sometimes it's a follow-up question, but most of the time examiner just switch the topic to know about how fluent you are and how quick you are for your replies. So in today's video, I'm going to give you some of the new trending that is very important for your 2025 IELTS speaking part 3 questions. So if you need the answers of these questions, please write down in the comment section. I will definitely provide you that also. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel. And if you are looking for the free buddy partners, then we are also here for help you out with that. And if you are looking for the jobs mostly in Canada, Australia and in America, just send us the message in the comment section. We will definitely try to help you with that also. Again, if you will subscribe, then we can help you out with that. And if you are looking for the free buddy partners, then again you need to subscribe this channel and also attend our live sessions too. Thank you. And now let's move forward to the question. So very first is, what are the differences between online learning and offline learning? This is the first, because now in these days online learning is very trending. So this is one of the important question you need to definitely keep in your mind and prepare the answer accordingly. If you can, then please write down in the comment section. We are always here to help you out with that. Question 2 is, do you prefer to study alone or with the group people? Sometimes people, they like students, they can't study with the groups, right? Sometimes students, they like the alone time, like under the tree, in the room, or in the library, some quiet and silent time, right? And this is kind of your choice, right? So this is kind of a question examiner now in these days asks to this question to the students. Prepare the answers. If you can, then again write down in the comment section. We will provide you the answer. What are the advantages of learning in a group? Number 4 is, what subject most young people prefer to learn in a group? Why? So here is one key, because now you need to know about the trends and then where the most of the young people generation, like after their high class or higher studies or their high school, what type of subject they want to choose and what type of study they want to do outside and abroad, right? Number 5, what is more important or most important when choosing a job? Is that high salary or interest? Very important question now in these days. So what is the important thing for you while choosing the job? Do you like the job, or you just look at the high salary and then you just join the job, and after that you just be sad all the time and pointing the finger on yourself or with your family or whoever insists you to get that job? um, Last question is also very important. That is, what do you think about face-to-face learning, like with the teachers, or offline learning, right, from like computer or books or by yourself? So these are the questions, some of the questions important for your 2025 January part 3 speaking test. So please prepare your test accordingly. If you need my help, let me know. I'm always here to help you out. And also, if you are new on this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel, and also please stay with us for for more videos. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.